Well, you've seen the title of the video. Today we have the awesome Hot Wheels Race Team 5-pack. So let's waste no time and crack this pack right open. For those that are interested, there is the art on the back. I can't fit it in vertically, unfortunately. This pack includes a 67 Camero, the 99 F-150 SVT Lightning, the Plymouth Superbird, the Dirty Outlaw, and the high-tech Missile. So as you can see, obviously this is a Hot Wheels Race Team pack, so all the cars are in the awesome Race Team livery. So let's start things off with the Camaro. Oh yeah, it's pretty awesome indeed. Hot Wheels logo on the side, 67 on the back there as well. Very, very cool. Hot Wheels Racing written on the side, a little Chevrolet logo at the front, red outlined wheels as well, and these little exhaust pipes coming out down the side. Very cool. Front of the car we got the chromed out grille, striping along the hood there with Hot Wheels Racing again. Very, very cool indeed. Light blue screen and white interior. And for anyone who's interested, there is the base. Awesome. Right, next up we've got the Ford F-150 Lightning. Slight scratching on the old screen there, which is a shame. Sort of buff out. On the side there, number 99 with the awesome kind of zigzag striping along the side there. Quite a cool design. All of these cars feature their own tampo design, which is quite nice. Nice red wheels on this one. Hot Wheels logo at the back. Same again repeated on the other side of the car. Hood there, we've got the number 99 again. And like it's like a lightning design. Clever. I like that, that's pretty cool. Nice. Black interior on this one. And there's in the back of the truck there. Even got a little Ford badge print as well at the back as well as the front. So the actual design is pretty nice. The die casting is good. There is the base. Awesome. Right, next we've got the Plymouth. Oh, this is cool as. We've got the striping down the bottom there, which I think suits this car. The old school look with the stripes. Number 70. Good year written on the side there. Sort of steely type wheels. The chrome outline on there again. The awesome, iconic, massive rear wang. Oh yeah, that is so cool. And there it is repeated on the other side there. Little chrome splitter on the front as well. Very nice. That's so cool. And this one's gone back to the old white interior too. Right, next up we have the Dirty Outlaw. Sort of like a oval track kind of car. These usually set up the spoiler, well, bit of a loose spoiler on this one. Oh, I see, yeah, the spoiler actually clips onto the top of these, so this could be removed. I'm not going to do that in case I break it. I'm quite prone to breaking plastic clips, especially on cars. Yeah, two wheels, got this sort of aero disc on the back, split fire spokes on the front. Metal base in red, looking pretty cool. There's stuff on the bottom, bit of detail on this one too. There's your engine in there, very, very cool. You see straight through. There's the interior as well. Come on camera, focus on it better. It's quite dark inside there because of the spoiler. But yeah, these are set up to actually go in one direction. So the spoilers are all set up to make the air. So the spoilers are actually set up for the aero, so it actually like helps the car turn around the corner. So these are like really bad going the other way around the track. But yeah, that's a pretty cool casting. And finally, now these last two actually had metal bases in red, which is pretty cool. We've got the high-tech Missile. It's got some vents at the bottom as well, which is pretty cool detail. This is like a X-Racer type vibe. We've got the see-through body on the top there, to see through to the engine bay there, and there's the cockpit in the front there. This one's got a yellow screen on it, which is different from the rest of them, which also gives it the yellow fins at the top. Number 3 on the side with the stripes, Hot Wheels Racing written over the back there. Same again, repeated on this side, with some 5-spoked red wheels. Very, very cool indeed. And there's a rear, massive rear spoiler. Awesome. So there we have it for the awesome Hot Wheels Racing Team 5-pack. This has probably been out for a little while now. I remember seeing this for like £10 in my local toy shop. However, £10 back then was like, oh, I didn't want to pay that. Whereas nowadays, where cars are near enough £2 everywhere, that actually isn't too bad of a price. I got this pack for £9 from Tesco's, and yeah, pretty awesome pack. I hope you would agree. So I'm going to do a quick little rating of the cars, just my personal opinion, obviously. So you don't have to go by my opinion. Well, it'd be helpful if I put them on the screen properly, wouldn't it? Yep, there's my personal opinion. Probably the best in the pack to the least best. Don't get me wrong, it's still cool though. Let me know down below what you think. What's your favourite car in the pack? Have you got this one yourself? And yeah, I'll sure to see you in the next video. Good luck on all your peg hunts. Good luck collecting. I shall see you again in the next one.